Hello everyone, I've got a short unboxing video for you guys today. A bunch of my friends and I decided to do a box swap. The twist? We don't know who's sending our boxes, so it's a fun surprise. The theme is mythical/magical creatures. Make sure to check out everyone on YouTube or Instagram. My partner was Creations Mod, a very talented artist. So without further ado, let's get to it. This box is so big it barely fits in frame. Let's open it up. I don't know what these are, but I love them. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try to get fairy film for ages. This is fantastic. Okay, what's this? Another box? Oh, it's nail polishes! You may have seen me rocking the color Shift Blue in my latest repaint, but also include gold and a sparkly black. She also sent a million stickers. I thought it was just the cats at first, but then I turned it over and I saw there was a pile of fabulous stickers. There were a ton of decorative laces and sequin trims. Some decorative patches. And colorful yarn. Are we gonna be playing a game? Let's cut this box open. That's a lot of beads. Amazing. One too broken shipping, but that's okay. Everything was so nicely wrapped and packaged. I did my best with my box, but it was not like this. More beautiful stickers that I can definitely use on some dolls. A whole pile of Monster High shoes. I love it. Silk flowers and a whole pile of who's-its and what's-its. Colorful ribbons. I already see some that will be used. Well, now what do we have here? I said snacks. Sorry, Mod, I had to cut the yarn. We have a jar of maple jelly. Yum. And these two took me a bit because the labels are in French and I don't speak French. But I eventually figured out that they are artisan blueberry jams. And they were delicious. Oh wow, look at these beautiful hair wefts. Definitely using these. Quick interjection. These metallic watercolors are something I could never get myself. So I'm extremely grateful for them. Some pretty twine with gold. Onto fabrics. First we have this lovely texture silver, yellow cotton, some gold, and two burgundies. I know it looks like brown in the light, but it's not. Next we have this lovely brown sequin pattern that make out a fleur-de-lis pattern. Yeah, I said pattern twice, what of it? A shiny brown and brown cotton, black pleather, a pattern black cotton, a blue and red shift mesh, very Spider-Man, and 2 more black fabrics, 1 stretch and 1 woven. This I thought was purely purple, but on the right side it's actually red. There are several pretty purples in here. This galaxy print I actually sent my partner, so I was super excited that it found its way back to me. A shiny purple. Oh, I love these unicorns. So cute! I gotta find a way to use them on a doll. Long-time watchers of this channel should recognize this fabric. This parent is very pretty. And finally, a lovely lavender. Mod was insanely generous with the fabric. Time for the doll. And we have a guest, it seems. We all sent a base doll to our partners along with the supplies. Oh my god, I wanted to work with Rebecca forever. This is great. And our generous friend actually sent me 4 dolls. So let's find out who the other 3 are. First we have Campfire with wobbly legs. A Cleo, my favorite base. And Skeleta. I've used her head and hands before, but not the whole doll. All 4 are either a favorite or from my wish list. Maud said her daughter picked them, and she knocked it out of the park. So with everything unboxed, I guess I'd better go get to work figuring out what to make. I'll see you soon with the results. Thank you so much, Maud, and check out my friends. Bye now.